In this quick guide, I'll show you how to archive contacts in Mailchimp to keep your list clean and engaged. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and head over to the audience section from your dashboard. Here you will see a full view of your subscribers, unsubscribed users, and pending contacts. Select the contacts you want to archive, usually inactive or unengaged ones. Archiving is great because it removes them from your active list without permanently deleting their data. So if they re-engage later, their history is still saved. Once selected, click the Archive button, usually found above your contact list or under the three-dot menu. Just like that, your list is cleaned up and focused on people who actually want to hear from you. And that's it. You've successfully archived your Mailchimp contacts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tutorials.